some people, when they see this math problem, they'll start with 2 minus 2, so they'll write 0 like this. Bring down the division symbol down, and then the 1 over 2 plus 2. Then they'll divide 0 divided by 1 over 2, that equals 0. Bring down the plus 2, and so the answer is 0 plus 2 is 2. And so they'll write 2, and that is the answer. And that is so wrong. Let me show you how to solve this math problem correctly using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is telling me that division goes first, not subtraction. We don't subtract 2 minus 2. We divide 2 divided by 1 over 2. Now you're probably thinking, okay, so how do you divide 2 divided by 1 over 2? Well, we need to use a method called keep, change, flip. And so we're going to turn this 2 into a fraction to make the math easy. So 2 over 1, and we all know that 2 over 1 equals 2 does not change the 2. Then, that's the keep part. That's the keep. We keep 2. Then we change the division to multiplication. So I write multiplication. And then the last part, which is flip, we're going to flip this fraction. So the 2 will go on top of the fraction and the 1 goes at the bottom of the fraction. So it'll be written like this: 2 over 1. Next, we are going to multiply across. So 2 times 2 equals what? 4. Over 1 times 1 equals 1. And 4 over 1 equals 4. So now we got 4. Let's bring down the 2. Take the 4. Bring down the 2. Then the 2 minus. Let's say that. The 2 minus. Let's bring down the 2 minus. Then bring down the 4. Then bring down the plus 2. Now we're looking at 2 minus 4 plus 2. And according to PEMDAS, addition and subtraction are at the lowest level. These two operations, the minus and the addition, are both within, I'm stuttering there. Both operations are both within its own level. So we read or solve the math problem from left to right according to PEMDAS. And now 2 minus 4 is what? Now, to make the math easy, let's draw a number line. Make the math fun and easy, like that. There, that's a number line. And let's bring the 0 over here. And so let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. All right, so we start at 2. So I'll add a dot there. And then we're going to go left 4 units to the left, or 4 spaces to the left, or jump 4 back. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we land at -2. So to make some space here, 2 minus 4 equals -2. Now that we took care of that, let's just cross that out, just like that. Now we have plus 2. So -2 plus 2. I know it's 0, but let's jump 2 spaces to the right. So our value increased because we're at -2 plus 2. That means the value increased. And I'm going to use a different color. I am going to use red. So we're at -2. We're going to jump 2 spaces to the right. So 1 and 2. So the answer is 0. Now, And let me write 0 there. Let me box that up for you. Now, before you go, there's another way you can subtract this, and I am going to use the red. So when you see, let's use this space, 2 minus 4 plus 2 equals 2 minus 4, just subtract. There's a rule. It's called the rules of. It's called the rules for subtracting integers, and we have integers here. And all you have to do is subtract the smallest number, which is 2, from the bigger number, which is 4. And then you will take the sign that's from the bigger number. So it's 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And then you take the sign next to the 4, give it to the 2. So now the answer becomes negative 2. And then plus 2 gives you 0. If you want to use that rule, go for it. And there you go. Another thing, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I really appreciate that. And I will see you in the next video. And also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.